Hey you guys, welcome back to Ruby's channel. My name is Jessica, Ruby's best friend since kindergarten, whatever year that was. But we're heading to the beach now. Okay, that was. We had to stop at the rest area because I needed a pee. Yeah, so we went to go pee and we still have like an hour left of a drive. It was like almost 3 hours. But that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna hit the road again and we'll probably see you guys once we're out there. Bye. It. We made it. Oh my goodness. Here's a mess. The water here is like so much cleaner than the one in Galveston. So like Galveston could never. Other than that, I don't know. I've always liked these beaches better than fucking Texas beach. It's all nasty. Like the water is actually like, you can see that it's actually blue. It's so like pretty. How it has like shades of blue. You notice it? Yeah. Right. Oh yeah, we need that sunscreen. I got beach hair. It's all nasty now. I'm low-key kind of hungry. You are? Me too. We're gonna eat our sub. See if I can set this up. I'm gonna get my drink. Okay. My mom's gonna be so mad because you're gonna come home darker. I told you not to do that before the party starts. Oh my gosh. Can you pass me my sandwich? It's over there. Hmm? I just shoved it in there. I hope it's not ugly. They cut it in several pieces, no? Yeah, into fours, I think. Oh my god, you way too much and all the way over there. Nah, I won't get to us, I don't think. I'll be dead. Probably put some on my face. Yeah. Let me get a piece. I think he only cut mine in half. Or in. Oh no. No, he did. It's like what? Wait, is that yours? Yeah, it should be. Yeah. Sorry. Because I know he didn't mark them. No. I was gonna ask him, but I didn't want to be extra. Wait, can you mark it? I didn't know how hungry I was until now. My stomach's already ground. So we came out to the beach and we're just over here drinking. We painted, and I painted her. She doesn't know what I painted, and then I don't know what she painted. So we're gonna switch, and you guys can see it first. So here's her in the background, and then I'm gonna give her the key.
Oh my gosh. It's blurred. Okay, so this is what I made. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay. Dude, that's so creative. I would have never thought about that. That looks so nice. You like it? You like it? I know. I took I used every color in there. I like this. I'm gonna put this at my desk in my job. It's gonna be right there. I like it. Thank you so much. Aww. I am. I still have the other one you made me. It's so cute, dude. I want to show my mom. I love it. I love it. They're so cute.
You literally used every single color.
It's a little shell.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I hope they don't fall off.
Oh my god, it's a baby shell.
You want it back so you can write in the back?
Yes. I know I was forgetting something. I was like, out in the beach.
What are we doing? This one's pretty. This one.
That one has a bug on it. Yeah, it has a bug on it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. That's different.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay. Your feet is in it.
It's a mess.
It's a messed up part. I think it's still hard though.
I think it's fine.
better.
Looks better.
Okay.
Boom. Okay. That one's better. Yeah. Kind of bad.
Oh, I know. Can you put your hand here? That's gonna look like a fan.
Just keep shaking it like that. Just fishing on it. There you go.
Look at
That'll work. I like that.
Okay.
She about to mess it up, y'all. I'm just kidding. Yes! Here's how you spell my name. Oh, I know you did not just ask that. That is how you spell your name, right? I'm just kidding. I like it. I love it. It's so cute. I like it.
I read better than that, but yeah.
That's cute.
It's a freestyle. So we collected a lot of seashells. We have like a whole gallon bag full, and we're packing up so we can go, because it's like 7. It's 8. It's 8. We stay here all day, but the sun is setting, and it's over there. It looks pretty. Huh?
Where should we keep them at? Like, put them in.
In the backpack?
I think they're dry, right? They're good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put mine in my backpack.
We painted these a while ago, and that one together. Yeah. And there's the seashells right there. Yeah, that's a lot of.
Oh, look at
Yep. We're gonna pack up and head out. So probably catch you guys later. Bye-bye. Bye. Back in the car. We're tired.
So tired.
We're gonna find a McDonald's, and I'm gonna get an orange juice, and best friend over here is gonna get an iced coffee again. She's gonna be addicted to that now. we literally like we played mermaids in the ocean and collected seashells. We're gonna make seashell art with it and all that stuff. And like I looked good because I had my mascara on, but apparently it wasn't waterproof and it got all over this place, and I looked dumb. And yeah, basically. So we're gonna do that. I didn't know that it was already 9:35. The day went by so fast, to be honest.
Super fast. So fast.
So yeah, we're gonna go get some Mickey D's now. Bye. Welcome back, guys. I'm back at my hotel. I took a long shower and I literally had sand everywhere. And I had little seashells, like those tiny little seashells stuck on my body. And every time I would take off a piece of clothing, you can hear them falling on the floor. So that's that. It was like a 3-hour drive. I don't know if we mentioned that it was a 3-hour drive, but that was exhausting. Even though I didn't drive, Jessica drove, but I offered to help, so can't say that I didn't. It was really fun. I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed spending the day with Jessica. I see her every so often. So the last time I came to visit was in 2021. I believe that was the last time that I came to visit. So, and I always like hitched a ride with my uncle. So every time my uncle would have a trip to North Carolina, I would just hitch a ride with him and help with the gas and driving and all that. So it worked out. But this time I flew out here, which was a first for me because I've never been on an airplane, and that was kind of scary, but I got through it, so we're fine. But yeah, today was exhausting but super fun. 10 out of 10 for sure. Yeah, now I gotta go to sleep and wake up early tomorrow and spend another day with Jessica before I leave on Wednesday. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know it's I feel like I'm still kind of like cringy at making videos, but I'm like trying to get better at it because like I actually like to edit these, you know. So bye, good night.